This video will show you how to complete a class discussion. There will be 3 class discussions for this class. The first one is during the first week, so we are back in course content. We're going to go back into the Unit 1 folder. We're going to scroll down the page to find the week folder that we're in. We're still in Week 1. Here you will see the Week 1 class introduction. The instructions are listed here for you to read. When you're ready, click on the link. Next, you will need to click on Thread. Again, you will see the information and instructions. For this first class introduction, I suggest that you type your name into the subject area. Your classmates and your instructor would like to get to know you. Type in things that you would like us to know. Complete your thoughts and hit submit. On the next page, you will see other threads that other classmates have posted. You should be able to click on their name. You should be able to read their post and then hit reply and type a message to a classmate and hit submit. You will need to reply to at least 2 classmates to get full credit.